Hello, Internet. I would like to apologize for the lack of video last week. Work-related issues meant my work hours changed and I didn't have a spare video already filmed for such an occasion. So I did not have my usual filming time. What I am doing this week is having another crack at the busted master lock 410. See if I can get this unlock and disassemble it for you. With the upcoming holidays, consistent filming is probably going to be spotty. And practice will also probably be spotty, so I'm expecting to probably regress a little bit over the holiday season. I had a pen, I dropped it. I think part of my issue with picking this particular 410 is that, here, let me hold this while I grab a different one as an example, is unlike the traditional 410, where it's like I can test before I open it that it still works. But I would also hold it in my hand and have the tension wrench above, and this is mine, and my left index is my tension finger. And it's in the same position for every lock I pretty much pick with my holding in my hand. And it's because I do most of my picking and my practice, and that way when I do something different, a bunch of pins just fell. Okay, I still have two set. The way I feel tension, it's on a different part of the finger, ever so slightly, which throws off the feeling. Got the back half set, at least I believe I do. Thought I had everybody. What was missing? Sorry about that. Let's see what a reset does. Yeah, I can tell I am not feeling this. That this lock is going to cooperate with me today. So I'll give it another try before I just roll over and disassemble the green one for you. Until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.